Make your life simple. Make it straightforward. Make it easy for you to do what needs to be done to get you to where you want to be. Maybe you feel overwhelmed right now. Maybe you just feel like there's all these different things that you should be doing. You don't know quite how to do. You've tried and maybe they didn't work the way that you wanted them to. And there's just so much floating around in your head. You feel kind of stressed. You feel really drained. Then the solution is to let it all go. If it's heavy, let it go. It's one of the things that I've used to help hundreds and hundreds, actually over 600 clients at this point. And it's something that I've used for myself over and over again to really just make my life easy. Figure out what feels like a drain. What are the things that you are doing that just feel tiring, overwhelming, stressful, and drop them all for a second. Just cross it all out, take it off the list, take it off the to-do, and just focus on what really, really matters. What is your main goal? The most important thing that if you could accomplish nothing else other than this one thing, what would that thing be? Is it about doubling your income? Is it about having a great relationship? Is it about being in perfect health? Pick, just pick one. And once you've picked one, write it down. What is that thing? Write it down. If you don't write it down, you're just messing around. So write it down. And once you've written it down, now we're going to take one more step. To simplify and make your life easy, this is all you have to do. Write down the most important goal that you have, whether it's over the course of the next year, the next month, the next week even, doesn't matter. You can pick the timeline, just write down that goal, and then we're just gonna break it down. What can you do every day? Just one thing that you can do every day to move yourself a little closer to that goal. Just one thing. Forget about trying the massive, complex, crazy strategy with all the little details. Just one thing. For me, this is what it looked like. My big goal was getting rid of my social anxiety and just being happy and being able to communicate with people. That was my big goal in 2014. My daily action was to record a video and publish it on YouTube. Here's my logic. When I made the video, it forced me to improve my communication skills and to talk through or share some of the things that I was struggling with or try to come up with solutions to them and share that in the video. I did this for a whole year, and not only did I get rid of my social anxiety and completely obliterate any kind of depression, but also I built a six-figure business doing what I loved. So the lesson here is that when you make life really complicated and you have all this stuff going on, it's very stressful, it's very overwhelming, you're listening to too many different videos, too many podcasts, too many audiobooks, all this stuff, and it just makes it really difficult to really concentrate and make real progress. There's no measurable progress towards what truly matters to you. But when you simplify, when you cut out everything that doesn't serve that single-minded goal, that one track that you're on, then it's almost effortless to achieve your goal. In fact, I stopped watching a lot of YouTube videos. I slowed it down. I stopped listening to every single book or reading every single book. And I stopped just overall stressing and overwhelming myself. And I just kept it super, super simple. Now, did I add in more strategies as it progressed and grew? Sure. But start simple. Don't overwhelm yourself. Even at this stage in my business, I'm only implementing 3 strategies actively that I work on to grow it and scale it and improve it and help and reach more people. That's it. 3. I keep it super simple. And with every client that I work with too, I try to break it down. Keep it very simple. What's the main priority here? And let's just work on that. By the way, if you want to work with me, there's a link in the description. Come jump on. A free consultation call, and then we can work together and improve your life. So once I figured this out, it was so much easier for me. I didn't have to try everything. It wasn't this overly complex thing that I wasn't capable of. It was doable and simple. A video a day, I could do that. That's it. I just committed to that for a whole year. So what's that thing for you? What can you commit to for a whole year that will give you a little bit of progress each day? Maybe it's just a month for you. Maybe it's not a whole year even. It depends, right? If you want to lose weight, just eating a little less every day for 30 days will make all the difference. Working out a little more, it'll make the difference. It's not difficult. It's not hard. It's not complicated. If you want to find the one approach a day could be enough. Just one. Approach one stranger that you find attractive and try to talk to them. And just do your best every day for 30 days. Scary? Yes. Uncomfortable? Yes. The videos were for me too. Usually it is scary and uncomfortable, but just do that one thing and it's not so overwhelming when it's just one thing. Later on, you maybe add one or two, you still try to keep it simple, you make massive progress towards your goals. While everybody else is stressed, overwhelmed, trying everything, you're keeping it simple. If it's heavy, you're letting it go, and you are achieving your goal. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Make sure that you subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss a single upload. And if you'd like to experience a real breakthrough and some massive progress in your life, sign up for coaching. It's in the bottom left of your screen right now. If you click on that, you'll go to my website and you can book a free consultation to get us started.